Identify as human! Where the hell did you come from?
Long Beach. I gave up my seat.
It's gotta be 20 clicks. Through them?
Can't catch me.
Okay. Showtime.
Fire department, out the way!
Shadows on the wall, underneath concrete highways, hiding in the open, run from the hopeless broken dreams.
Rains of course, eh, Jefe?
Climbing up the walls, high enough to hear their calls. From the switch, time to destroy. Down to 10, dancing with death and
Wow, looks like we're fully booked. Better grab my seat.
darkness and more. Command light, 'cause you gotta stay.
Wait! The city's fucked! I'm not staying behind.
Choose to stay alive.
Take for Tango! Go!
There better be food on this flight. Ticket, please.
Oh, sorry. Must be my with Jackie.
This'll do.
Try to stay alive.
Oh my god, you're Emma John, right? And Robert Steele? Can I get a selfie?
This is 7-1 Happy. Call Zulu. We haven't got the passengers.
She always likes surprises. Fuck.
Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Bandit. I'll make it.
Gotta go. Come on, gotta get out. Survivors. Okay.
Hey! Hello?
What the hell? Oh, come on, Ryan. Keep it together. Another one. almost
Will
there.
you stop firing those bloody flares?
What?
Stop firing those flares!
We've only got a few left. We should save them.
For God's sake. Michael, take that flare gun off him and shove it up his arse. What was that?
There's something in the plane. Stay back.
Hey, easy. Anyone hurt?
Just a few bruises. I think we got lucky. I'm Michael.
Ryan.
Oh, this is fucking tremendous.
Emma, darling, I'm so sorry about Robert.
Why? I mean, this is all his fault, the selfish wanker. Will you stop standing there and find me some fucking shoes?
Hey, buddy. You got blood coming out of your ears. You know that?
What? I can't hear you. I got blood coming out of my ears.
Well, I mean, what are we going to do?
Stay off the menu.
People, this is Emma Jaunt.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, you know what a huge star she is, Romero winner no less. We need to get her home to safety.
What was that?
Careful.
Here goes. Oh, hey.
My wife.
She's alive. Feel a pulse.
Get this off me.
Give me a hand here. Come on. Come on.
Michael, help.
Ready? Lift.
It's too heavy. I think they're getting closer. We need to go.
I'm not just gonna leave them here to die.
I mean, perhaps we should stay.
Darling, the world needs you. They'll protect them.
Wait, what?
Okay, Michael, if you're sure. Here is my address, in case you change your mind. Good luck.
Seriously?
I'll call the army. Send help. Go.
Hey, are you Emma Jaunt?
Great. Great. Someone else made it. Oh, hey, buddy. A little help here. You've gone deft. Get off me! Look, I killed it. Need a weapon. Shit, there's a lot of them. We're coming. What do I do? I could burn the fuckers if I knocked that tire down. This is fucking insane. Okay. Check on the others. fuck are we gonna get out of this? Okay. Hey. Okay, Jesus.
Oh, God. How the fuck did this happen? It's not meant to be like this.
Okay, just, hang in there, I guess. Hey, can you hear me? I got some water. See if you can drink this a little. I was trying to fucking help you! Okay. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? 66 Alpine Drive. Okay. Gotta find Emmons. Oh, where in Bel Air am I? "70 Alpine Drive." So, if I head through the grounds here, I'll come out right by Emma Jones' place. Need a breaker. Try in here. Circuit breaker. This should work. Got it. Don't get hit. Simple. Locked. Find another way inside. Oh God, so much blood. Anyone in there? Now that's a design flaw. Keycard. I'm just trying to get to Emma Jones. Up in a panic room with a zombie. I think I saw that in a movie. Emma's place should be out the back. Whoa, I want that sword. Oh, this is very me. God, my head! My disaster could use some relief. Oh, great. Different code. Well, that does not look safe. take a look around. Got it!
Who's out there?
It's, Ryan. From the crash.
Oh, okay. Come in.
Thank God. Oh, God. Oh, my head's gonna explode. Come on. Oh, almost.
Get in! This crazy's everywhere. It's a miracle you didn't get bit. Ew, is that?
I'm having a really fucking bad day, Michael.
Muerto crudo. Get away from this house, you
Ray,
voodoo
what are you
devil!
doing? Give me the gun!
No! You have been beaten. You will turn. Eat as I know. I've seen it now. Get away!
Drea! They were at the crash. I invited them. Just give me the...
No! I will not have this devil in my house!
Your house. You may have snuck your whole family in the moment I was gone, but this is still my home.
You abandoned me.
Well, I'm back now, and you are still my housekeeper, so give me the bloody... gun.
Here. For fuck's sake. Gosh. I need to lie down.
Emma, we've got a problem. Our friend here has been bitten.
So? What the bloody hell does that mean?
It means they will turn into a beast. We must kill them.
This is not a fucking movie. I'm not killing them.
It's definitely not in my job description.
Oh,
God. Are they turning? Oh, I'm gonna be sick.
Shoot them! Say something.
I'm, not shot.
Michael fainted and the gun went off. Fucking idiot almost hit me.
Take these off. My fever's gone. I'm feeling human again.
You do seem better. And the bite's healing too. But you're staying locked up.
But if the fever's gone, then that proves that
No,
I'm...
it proves nothing, okay? I mean, people are eating each other out there, and no one knows anything about what's going on. And I can't get hold of my agent or my manager.
Hey, look, you can trust me. I'm a firefighter, right? I'm not about to eat anyone. On my life.
Nice try. But trusting people never worked out too well for me. Can I ever get 2 minutes away from here?
They're surrounding the house. They're trying to get in.
Give me the key to the cuffs. I can help.
Oh, shit. Okay, they're toy cuffs. Just press the button.
Oh,
Come
what
on.
fuck's sake?
They're getting closer.
What do we do?
I'm going out there.
Are you sure?
Take the gun.
No, you'll need it if they get past me.
Oh my God!
Open it! Come on! I'll fucking do it. Find somewhere safe. Don't take it personally. what's the point in having a big gate if you don't close it? I don't think you need to be on. Someone else can clean this up.
Shut the door! Madre mia. Are the devils gone?
Just me left. Where's your boss?
They're downstairs in the games room, hiding. Tomorrow.
Okay. I think we're good. For now.
Thank you for going out there. God, this is beyond insane. I mean, I don't know how to do this. I'm not supposed to die here.
At least you'll die with me, Emma.
Oh, fantastic.
No, what I mean to say is you're not dying. Not with me around. Now, since the health of our possibly undead friend
I'm
here
not
is...
undead.
We can't verify that, okay? Since your health is in question, we need a lead, person here. A lead protector. And Emma, I will be your protector. Ha!
I'll get in.
Whoa! Oh, you got no shot on this 8-ball. Lose the cue.
Okie dokie.
Don't touch her!
Sam?
You hear that 8-ball line? I saw the cue and nailed it. You're shocked, I get it. I couldn't exactly call ahead.
No. Or call any time in the past 15 years since you popped out to the store.
I think we should talk about this later. I'm here to get you out
Please,
of LA.
Emma is a huge star. Her fans are probably crowdfunding for her rescue right now.
Guess again. City's locked tight. Being famous don't count for shit. Lucky for you, I've been through this before.
No one has done this before.
Guess again. This zombie shit happened twice already. All got covered up. But I survived. You wanna know how? I'm immune.
Big deal. So are they.
Huh?
This motherfucker?
This motherfucker.
So, you're not special, and we're doing fine, thanks.
Immune?
You still need me. I killed more zombies than you got shoes.
So what exactly is your plan for getting us out of here?
I'm still working out the details.
We don't need him.
And you know you do.
I'm immune!
Fine, you can stay. Everyone else has moved in, so why not you? I'll show you where you're sleeping. This way.
What does he mean being famous doesn't count for shit? How ridiculous!
So, immune. No big deal. I need to talk to our zombie expert.
Don't worry, all the doors are locked. Nothing's getting in.
arrived with a surprise.
What the hell?
He'll just get himself killed as well. Forget it.
What did you say?
Hey, be careful.
Tomorrow, I will see you.
This couch was hand-stitched by blind Andalusian monks. My dog slept on it before Robert shot him. I'm sure you'll be very comfortable.
Agreed. Sam, if we're immune, we need to tell the authorities.
Sure, if you want to get dissected.
Oh, come on. We'll be VIPs.
RIPs. Emma's got 6 months of food in the basement. We can wait it out here.
That ain't gonna work for me. I gotta get back to my brother. I was only meant to be gone a couple of days.
You're immune. You ain't bite-proof.
I've gone toe-to-toe. I know how it is.
You don't know shit. Out there, you gotta be a mechanic, medic. Jackie fucking Chan rolled into one.
I've seen all his movies.
Alright, it's your ass. Hey, if you're going out there, you're gonna need some special sauce. Grab that machete. Okay, this is how you give it some spice. You'll need parts, though. Take some of this shit lying around here.
So you really walked into a zombie outbreak to save Emma?
Should never have left her. It was just, alright. Use the workbench, and let's get cooking. Hit a zombie with that, the motherfucker's gonna stay hit.
Thanks, Sam.
Hey, if you're really going out there, I got some stuff you need. Take some of this meat as bait. It's just meat, but the zombies go for it. Saved my life getting here. I got some meds you can have too. Just maybe next time, you give me something in return, huh?
Thanks. Appreciate it. Need to talk to Emma.
I feel like we're shipwrecked. Am I going to end up in some dead fan's stomach? You won't let that happen, will you?
If I'm immune, then I need to contact the authorities.
Sam doesn't trust them.
Look, my brother is counting on me to come back. I gotta go.
We all want to leave. You wouldn't believe what we had to pay to get on that plane. We're stuck here.
And we could try to break out.
You can't just jump in a car and go. The roads are all blocked. I saw videos of cars getting swarmed. You might as well put wheels on a coffin.
Yeah, no cars.
There's millions of those things out there, just waiting to sink their teeth into us. Face it, we'd need a helicopter to get out. And everyone who has one is already fucked off in it.
I am not ready to give up. Where's the nearest evacuation center?
We were supposed to report to the Helper Inn Hotel. If Robert hadn't made other arrangements.
You're not upset he's dead?
Our marriage was just PR, okay?
Oh, well, who needs love when you're rich and famous, huh? Okay, Helper Inn Hotel. Thanks.
Hey. Don't forget your friends, if you do find a way out.
Sam, back after all this time. Nothing cool will come.
I'm heading to the Helper Inn Hotel. See if the army's still there.
Yes, good. Good, exactly what I was going to tell you to do. All part of my survival plan. Oh, you'll need keys to get out. Here. Just tell them Emma Jaunt and her staff need to be evacuated immediately. Okay?
Sure thing, Michael.
They can land a helicopter.
This would be a lot fucking easier with some help.